Yeah. What else? I mean,
Well, the next thing after your website is the next most important thing is your Google Business Profile. It used to be called Google My Business, but if you've got a Google login, most doctors' offices or the doctor himself or herself at some point had a Google account where they set up a profile for their business. That Google profile is your second most important online profile to your website. That's got to be updated. It's got to have information about you guys. It's got to have pictures, recent pictures, which you can literally go around your office and take new pictures with your phone. And if you're, make sure you're logged into your Google account on your phone and upload them right from your phone into your Google profile as some new photos of the office, the outside of the office, so people recognize your building, your staff, you in action doing stuff in your practice. An interesting tidbit is, of course, like it or not, these things are tracking devices.